Hello guys, so this is a quick demonstration on how you can use your drawing board. So the one thing which you're supposed to remember is that the purpose of the drawing board is to ensure you are drawing a vertical and the horizontal line perfect relative to the paper or the drawing formats. Now how you can set up your paper. First of all, you have to remove the T ruler, and then you open up a paper holding compartment here. You fix your paper. Make sure you see the paper touches the edge of the compartment by peeping on these two holes, and also make sure it touches on the groove on the bottom view, and then you can close up your paper attachment. Now then you can return your T ruler. So we are using the T ruler to draw horizontal line, but important thing to note is make sure that your T ruler is always on the groove, like this way. And you have a locker here. If you lock it, the T ruler doesn't move, but if you unlock it, it's easy, you can move your T ruler. So you are using this one to draw a horizontal line. And if you wanted to use the T ruler to draw vertical lines, again, you can just rotate this way, and then make sure just they are within the grooves, or you can put on the lower groove this way. So at your discretion. Now let us see how we can draw a quickly title block and also the margins of the A4s. The first thing is to note is here it reads, you have dimensions here on the on the drawing board, and then you have the left hand margin dimension, and also on the ruler you have dimensions starting from 0 going to 420. On the other side you have another dimension also, you can use them. Now if you can remember from the second lecture, standardization, we say the size of the A4 is 297 by 210, and we have to leave 5 millimeters on the left hand side, and the top margin and also bottom margin. But on the right hand side we are supposed to leave 25. Now if you read this one, it's read 190, that means we have to leave 5, that is 185 here. And also because if this from here to here is 190, that means from here to here is only 20, so we have to add 5 here in order to get the left hand margin equal to 20. Now you can use your horizontal ruler to measure. If you can see here, so at the top of this one is where the dimension ends. Measure, counting 5 millimeters, you are getting somewhere here. Now you can draw your horizontal line for the top margin starting from 185 to 5 millimeters. That is, you are ensuring you get 25 here and then 5 here. You can do the same for the lower part, but the beauty of the lower part is that when you put your mark on 0, the space below is equal to 5 millimeters. So you just draw from 185 to 5. So here. Now you can rotate your T ruler so that you can draw the vertical margin. Make sure the T ruler is within the groove, and then you can locate here the end of these two lines, and then you can draw the vertical margin. You do the same for the left hand side margin or the firing margin. So you just join these two lines this way. And that's it about the margins. Now you can add your title block. We know the size of the title block is 30 millimeters from below. So we start with the lower margin is at 0. That means at 3 centimeter or 30 millimeters is where is the end of my title block. And the middle way, that is 1.5 centimeter or 15 millimeters, I have another vertical line here. And if we wanted to draw those rooms, here I have 30 millimeters. If you can remember from the standard, here 12. So here I know it's 5, so adding 5, 30. At 35 I can draw this line for this compartment, and then I have to add 40 from here to 40. It's going to be somewhere here to get this distance. Here this is 40, and I know from here to 50 I have to draw another line here. So I know from here it's 5 plus 50 is going to be 55 somewhere here. So I'm going to draw this line. Now I have another line here. The distance from here to here is 84. So 55 plus 84 is equal to 139. So here at 139 here I have to draw this vertical line. And I know the distance from here to here is equal to 30. So I can just put it here, and from here to get 30 millimeters from here to here. Now I have to add those the two vertical lines. And now from here it's 15. Add 5 millimeters, going to be at 20 millimeters. So here, so this is 20 millimeter. At 25, another line. So this is 25. You can add that one. So I have my title block and margins. What remaining is adding text and also and other informations as required. So this is how you can draw quickly your title, the margins and also the title block. If you want, again, you can add those guiding lines as we mentioned in texting. So for example here I can add very thin lines for texting, maybe 4 millimeters apart, and then you can use them to light to guide you while you are writing those texts between. Okay, thank you very much. See you around.